Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming account permissions and the physical SIM, because settings only work if the carrier allows roaming. Once you've confirmed roaming is active, power off and reset the SIM, make sure it's fully inserted. Next, toggle airplane mode for around 10 seconds to force the radio to reset, then restart the phone. While it boots, keep an eye on signal icons. If you see no service, make sure the SIM tray and slot are clean and the SIM is not locked. Now move into mobile network controls to change how your phone connects. Enable data roaming and set network mode to LTE/3G/2G automatic so the phone can pick the best band. If data still fails, reset or carefully enter the carrier's APN details. These are case sensitive, so type each field precisely and save. Once saved, select that APN and toggle mobile data off and on. If automatic selection doesn't register, switch to manual network selection and to finish, perform a network settings reset if you've tried prior steps and still have no data. This resets APNs and radios so you can reconfigure from a clean state. After resetting, re-enter the carrier APN and test data. If issues remain, test the SIM in another phone or try a different SIM in your Samsung to determine whether the phone or the account is at fault. If the SIM fails elsewhere, contact your carrier to refresh your roaming profile. This single refresh often fixes provisioning errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.